I think that's why I'm now doing shows like this.
Oh, the Jeff Richard Show.
I won't say I'm psychic, but I discuss a lot of stuff related to extrasensory perception. And that includes psychic ability. That's stuff like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition.
Or it's been 9 years.
It's been 9 years. 9 years since you did my show.
Family's good? Everybody's good?
Everybody's really, really good. I got so many questions for you, Robert.
Oh boy, here we go.
Dude.
Jamie, how you doing, buddy?
A number of years ago, which I'm sure you remember.
I do. I remember that. Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
About your hair, I mean, does it have a life of its own, or what is it?
I was about to say that.
And you?
No.
Or do you?
No, usually what happens is when I make oatmeal, right? I wanted to give you props. That was a long time ago. You would
No, it was
remember
it was
that?
an honor.
Like to speak on, the theoretical aspect of music. And
You made up? No.
boy, killing it for you, boy, killing it.